Hello folks, we're back at Clearview Expressway and Northern Boulevard. The northern part of Clearview Expressway is, as you can see here, the traffic light got fixed. Look at that, it took a whole week, but they fixed it. Wow, look at that, they got it done. That's some wonderful news. I figured I wanted to give you all an update before I head on over to Francis Lewis. Look how bad the traffic is. It's 3 o'clock right now. Oh, look at this. That thing I saw last week is still here. But we're not going to come back here because I was only here thanks to my dad. And if it weren't for my dad, I would have not known about that. And I would have not shown you it last week. But good news is, once again, they fixed the light. So that's very good news. So next up, we're going to do the 2-week. Well, it's every 2 weeks I do this, so it's been 2 weeks. So next up, we will now go to the construction update on Francis Lewis Boulevard. So we're back. It's actually 38th Avenue, folks. I do apologize because I remembered it was by 38th. So first up, let's go up there. Yeah, there's a car that's coming way too fast, and that lady almost hit me. But they don't care. They don't care. I'm going to continue rolling. So down there by 37th Avenue, trying to get a better view of it, by the nail salon. I didn't see this there about a week ago. Actually, no, 2 weeks ago I didn't see this, my bad. So when we were doing this update 2 weeks ago, I didn't see this there. I didn't see that. They have the construction trucks down there. And there's somebody down there, we can zoom in. And there he is. I said, all I know is that they're building some kind of 2 or 3 family house here. So, I don't know what that's all about. And I do apologize, I hope I don't get claimed for copyright. Wow, folks, I didn't see this 2 weeks ago either. There's a big crane over here. Look at that. They got a big crane over here. And I think they're going to divert traffic to the left side because, remember, I don't think 38th Avenue, unless I'm wrong, I don't think this cuts over to Bell Boulevard. Yeah, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. I see the Clearview up there. There's no way it would do that. Yeah, and there's a house for sale up there. Douglas, Freeman, whoever they are. Yeah, so nothing much has really changed except that big crane down there. I have to get the name of the company. It says CAC on it, and then J&B Special Servicing Incorporated. Yep. I see more construction stuff over here. And I mentioned this, I'm not going to film it because I'm not really allowed to by Osnum, but across the street from Osnum on 201st Street, they're doing more construction. They're closed off a part of the sidewalk where the apartment buildings are. So, yeah. I really don't have that much of an update. Again, we'll be back here in, I'll do it 3 weeks. So, 3 weeks, so let's say I'll do another update on April 15th before I go to Maryland, because then it would be fair to do the update then. So that's going to wrap up this video. Pretty much some new stuff. Same old, I guess. Maybe if I give it another month, then maybe things will change. But one more thing, I'm noticing a lot more cars are turning on the 39th Avenue today, and I'm wondering, well, what's that about? I'm telling you, we need a left turn light here. We definitely need a left turn light if this is going to continue to act up, because this is just ridiculous. This is just ridiculous. And that car has to yield to me because I'm a pedestrian. Thank you. Ironic, 2 Lexuses. Here's another Lexus. Same model almost. So, I gotta get going. My dad should be arriving in a couple minutes. Yeah, right now it's 3:29, so he should be here soon. So I gotta get back to the rendezvous point by asking him to meet up with him. And quickly want to mention, why am I filming at 3 o'clock, you may be asking? Well, I quickly mentioned all of the floors have been cleared at my nursing home. So that meant I got regular shift today. First time in I think 2 or 3 weeks I was able to do regular shift. So, that being all said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I've said all I could say. So, once again, next update will be on April 15th about the construction. It won't be 2 weeks, instead it'll be 3 weeks this time, to be fair to the construction workers. Thank you all for watching the last construction update on Francis Lewis Boulevard for the month of March 2019. Until the next one, please take care.